students, how are you all? So in the previous lesson I have given the homework to read the new words. So we have completed the lesson, half of the lesson we have completed, and today we will complete the lesson, full lesson. But whatever the lesson we have completed, I will tell you the recap about that one. So I told you to read the new words, that is new words are plenty, a lot of something, slight to be breathed deeply, trembled to shake when afraid or cold, crushed to hit with force, peeped to look secretly, rejoice, cheer in joy, feel happily. So I have told that these three trees we found in a mountains. It is grown in America, Europe, Asia and Africa, and it lives for 700 years, and it is decorated for Christmas. I have told you that these trees are decorated in the Christmas, right? And it is be very happy and have a happy life with that. So it grow in a good place, it have more sunlight, and it have fresh air for the trees. These trees wanted to be have good life for them. 700 years means nothing. We can't even see the tree. Our old parents also cannot see that tree. Why? Because 70-80 years only we are going to die, but this tree is living up to 700 years. And we have learned that in a hurry they will grow up. They want to grow up hurry. They want to see the high of the world, and children will come and rest there near the trees. But the remarks what they will give, that is that the tree don't want to listen that such type of remarks what the children are telling. And in the next session we are today this session we are going to, they want to be have a branches, and they will have to swing in a wind, everything they like, and the woodcutter will come and he will cut the trees, and it will be taken to the places, to the towns, and they will keep in a warm place. I mean, they will decorate with great beautiful things. Till there we have completed the lesson for that session. For now we will complete the lesson, we will continue the lesson, and we will start the lesson from page number 11. So everybody should take out your textbook, page number 11, and you see from there page number 11 what the woodcutter will do and what they will do, we'll see it. It must be lovely to live in a warm room. So this tree is telling it is lovely to live in a warm room. The free tree thought. So the tree which is free, it is telling that it is thinking that living in a warm room is lovely, and Christmas must be special. So they will decorate me too. So Christmas is a special thing that they will come and they will decorate me. They are thinking, that tree is thinking like that. So rejoice as much as you can in a fresh air and light, the air and sunlight told him. So whatever you want to rejoice, everything you enjoy it as much as you can in a fresh air and light and air and sunlight. And told him, but the tree did not listen. So the tree is telling every time, the sun is telling, enjoy it, have a light, have a fresh air, fresh light, fresh air, fresh sunlight, everything. But these trees they are not listening. Many more months passed by. It was winter once again. Once again it was winter. When Christmas tree came, the woodcutter cut the tree as it looked green. Whenever this tree will become green, the woodcutter will come and he will cut the tree. Why he will cut the tree? When it is green only, he will cut the tree. And big, it felt pain on its trunk. So even for us also, whenever we are cutting the vegetables, unfortunately our hand will get hurt with the knife. We'll feel somewhat bad, and we'll feel it is very paining, no? Like that, when a woodcutter is cutting that much stem, that much branches, that much trunk it is cutting, how he is feeling, how the tree is feeling, we have to think it. So many more months passed by, and it was winter once again. When Christmas time came, so Christmas festival came, it is the time for Christmas. The woodcutter cut the free tree as it looked green. So whenever the tree looks green, they wanted to start to cut the trees. And big, so if it is big also, he will cut. It felt the pain on its tongue. So whenever the woodcutter is cutting, in the picture you can see, when the woodcutter is cutting, the tree is feeling very pain. It was sad for the free tree to leave the forest and all the old trees friends. So these trees, it was sad. It was sad for the free tree to leave the forest and all the old friends, old tree friends. Tree friends means one tree will not be there in the forest, many trees will be there. So they are feeling very sad to go from there. So from the forest to the other place they want to go. When the woodcutter will cut, they are feeling pain also, and they are feeling bad to go out. The fig tree was planted in a large tub. So this fig tree they will cut, the woodcutter will cut and they take, and they will keep in a large tub filled with sand. So filled with the sand, the woodcutter will cut the tree now. He will cut the tree and he will take at home. They will keep in a tub. You know the tub. They used to take a big tub. In that they will fill with mud, the sand, and they will keep the tree. And in a big house, and this tree is placed in a big house. Why they will place this tree in a big house? Not only in big house, in small houses also. Small houses, tree they will take. In big houses means they will take somewhat big houses, big tree. Why? Because these trees are used for decorating for Christmas. They are having some sentiments. They are having some reason to have the tree to be decorated. Why they will decorate in Christmas only? In Christmas only they will decorate. Christians only will take the tree and they will decorate it. And it was decorated with candles, colored candles, dolls and walnuts, and as at the top was a large gold star. It looked beautiful. So can you see this, how it is decorated at home? After cutting the tree, the tree is getting very sad while cutting the woodcutter. When he is cutting, see his face, how it is. You can see the expressions in this. So he is cutting it and he is brought here and he kept in a tub. He filled with sand and he has decorated the tree with a balls. What he has given? He has decorated with the candles, colored candles, dolls and walnuts. Walnuts, you can see the walnuts also. Walnuts, dolls. Where are dolls? See here. Dolls are there. And walnuts, and at its top was a large gold star. Can you see a star here? It is in gold color. Top of the tree there is a gold star. It is a gold star. It looked very beautiful. It is looking very beautiful. But when the candles were lit, they burnt its branches. So when the candles is there, they told that they are decorating with candles. No, when they will candle that lighted that candles, the branches will burn. But when the candles were lit, they burnt its branches. Soon a group of happy and excited children came into the room. So soon many of the children they came, they excited to see that tree, and they are excited to see what they are kept in that tree and what they have decorated with, what the things they have decorated. They are thinking, they are seeing it, and they are feeling very happy. Why? Because whenever we'll go for marriages, if we see the bridegroom, the groom will be there, no? Right. So we'll see and we'll be seeing her what she is wearing, what color of saree she is wearing, what the gold ornament she is wearing, everything we are watching. If anybody will come to your class, if his birthday, you used to see what she is wearing, what the gold ornaments she is wearing, everything. Like that they are excited to see this tree after decorating. Even though when you will go for functions, after decorating yourself, you will be looking to the mirror one or two or three times. You will be watching how you look. Like that, many of them they came to see. Many of the children, the candle burned down. The excited children came into the room. The candles burned down one by one, and the children took down the Christmas gifts that were tied to the branches. They did not look at the tree anymore. So when they will come, they will see they will take the candles and they will take out the things what they have taken. The children, they are excited to take the gifts. What the trees are decorated, they are very excited to take the things from the branches, and they did not look at the tree also. They will not look at the tree. They will, for that excited things only, they will come and they will see. The next morning, the maid came with their duster. So the next morning, the maid means the servant came with the duster. They took out the tree and put it in the dark corner of a room. So he came, and what he did, he took that tree and he kept in a dark corner of the room. The tree thought, I must have been put there for shelter until springtime comes. So I must have been put here for shelter. Shelter means keeping them for the next time. For the next time, until the springtime comes. Until the springtime comes, how good these people are. Missed all its friends. So what this tree is telling, I missed all my trees, all my friend trees. They missed the trees. So suppose if you came from one place to another place, suppose you are in Hyderabad, you came here in Khammam. So in the start, feeling uneasy, and you will be disturbed, and you will be remembering your friends at the house. You will play, no, near your house you will play. Everything you will be remembering. Like this tree also, she is missing all the trees which are with her in the forest. It is feeling sad. It is feeling lonely. The its friends, sweet, came a little mouse with his friends. They snuffed the tree and played out among its branches. Squeaked. So the small mouses came there. Mouses, you know the mouse? Yes. The mouse friends came and they stuck the branches. They cut the branches among the branches of the trees, and they have they are playing with that one. Playing with that branches of trees. where did you come from? So they are asking, where did you come from? The mice ask him, I came from the forest. So the mice is asking them, see how the tree was kept it here. It is truly dry. Can you see it? And it is fell down. And what are the rest of the trees, how they are, and see this tree. So it is the and played in and among its branches. Where did you come from? The mice asked him. I came from the forest, where the sun shines and the red birds sing, said the free tree. The mice said, oh, how wondered. So this mice asked to this tree, from where did you came? So this tree is telling, I came from the forest and from the sunlight and from the little birds they sing. And the free tree, the mice said, oh, how wonder you are. Now the tree remember all the good things about the forest. So that now the tree is remembering all the good things, whatever the things are there, it is remembering, it is remembering. It is remembering the things, what is doing, what happened, and now the tree became little big and the woodcutter came. Everything he is thinking of his good time and the bad time. Now the tree remembered all the good things about the forest. The next morning 4 people came and pulled out the tree. They put him in the backyard near a garden. So what they did, see, they have pulled out the tree and they kept, next morning 4 people came, they pulled the tree, they put him in backward and it is thrown out of the garden. Can you see it here in the garden how they have it is thrown? So see, whenever we have a need, we have taken a tree that is in green in color. Now we are throwing the tree which is dry and it is not useful to us. So we should not do with the trees like that. The tree saw the beautiful flower blooming in the garden and felt sad. So all the trees are blooming, they are green, they are shining, they are having sunlight, air, water, everything. It is seeing this all felt very sad. My days are over now. So what this tree is thinking, that my days are over now. The tree's time is over. Said the poor tree, why did not I enjoy them while I could? So when I have told that have you enjoyed that time when it is rain, sunlight, everything? That world is telling you to enjoy it. That time why I have not enjoyed? It is thinking in his mind that now my days are over. I am feeling very bad. And while I could, now they are gone, all gone. So everything is gone. Whenever it is there, we have to enjoy it. When it is not there in our hands, we cannot. So when we are small, we'll enjoy it. So for example, if I am a small girl, I enjoyed a lot. In my schooling days, I enjoyed a lot. When I came to my teaching field, I enjoyed. When I married, I have lost my enjoy. Why? Because my parents, my husband will be there, my children will be there, like that. Again, children, they will have the time to enjoy it. So whenever that time, whatever the time period will be there, we have to enjoy that period. We should not. We must utilize that period. So if game period is there, we have to play it. If game period is there, if you are having the game period, that time you are sleeping. When you are having the class, that time you are playing, means it's a good habit. It's a good thing. No. Whenever you have the game period, you have to enjoy it. Whenever the teacher asks you to play, you can play. That time you can enjoy it. When the teacher is telling the class, if you are playing, it is not good. That is not the time to utilize. So we must know when to utilize the time and when we should not. When should we do the work? Everybody in the life, whatever the times are divided for us, we have to do that things that time only. We should not go high level or go in a lower level. We must be in a middle way. In the same way, we have to continue it. And see this tree, when it is greenery, when sunlight, air, everybody is telling to feel her, enjoy her. That time she did not listen. The woodcutter came, cutted, and he has taken to the town that someone has taken the tree. They kept in a tub, they kept in a sand, they decorated it, and the children came. They took the prize, whatever the gifts are hanged to it. They have taken. The mice came and played with the branches. Again, after the 4 people came and they throw it out of the backward of the garden. Now it is finished. That why I had that time when my sunlight, air, everybody is telling me to enjoy it. That time I have not enjoyed. Now I am not having time. My time is over. A servant came and chopped the tree into little pieces for firewood, and so the tree burned away completely. So this tree has burned one. After that tree became very dry. One servant came, he cutted the tree, he cut the tree's branches, and he has kept for little pieces for the firewood, and he burned and make it completely burned, and it is completely died. So that is about a free tree. So whatever the things we have to do in that period only. We should not avoid it, and we must do in other time. So whenever your parents will tell you to go and play, means that time you have to go and play. Whenever your parents tell you to read, you have to read. That is a timetable. It is a timetable. Now your timetable is to read. So you have to read. Now your timetable is to eat. You eat. But you have to take. For everything you have to maintain time. Time is most important in the life. Without time, the man cannot do any work. So we are not having clarity in our life. Clarity must be there for our life. What we'll do, what we'll not do. Isn't it? So without learning 3rd class, 4th class, did you go to 10th class? No. Doing these all things, you will go for 10th class. So what happened to this tree? Without doing all the things, it has taken out, the woodcutter cutted, everything happened, and it is died at the last moment. But it did not enjoy it. So everybody in the life, in our life also, we should enjoy the life. And we should do the things in a timetable, in a manner, in a free manner, in a timetable manner. We have to, we should not waste the time. We should utilize the time. Got it? So your homework is, I told you to learn it, the new words. Now read the lesson, complete lesson. Homework is, read the lesson. Lesson number 1. What is that lesson? Lesson number 1, page number 9 to 12. Why? Because it is easy to learn, just to read. Learn it, read it. Read once or twice. You will be getting practice to read the lessons. Got it, everybody? This is the homework for you. You have to do it. Have a nice day. In the next session, we are going to learn about practice zone. Thank you. Have a nice day.